What's the meaning of Captain Marvel? Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel.
Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel refers to a superhero character within the Marvel Comics universe. Originally created in 1967, the character has undergone several different iterations and origin stories. The most well-known version of Captain Marvel is Carol Danvers, a human who gains superhuman abilities after being exposed to alien technology. As a superhero, Captain Marvel possesses incredible strength, flight, and energy projection abilities. The character has become increasingly popular in recent years, with a successful film adaptation released in 2019 starring Brie Larson as Carol Danvers.